One thing for sure, a girl can never have too many handbags. Check this out. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you are a lover of natural hair fashion. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at the OKae Kaela. In today's video, I have some more handbags to share with you guys from Charles and Keith. I love them. This is my second time doing a haul with them, and every time I get their bags, I love the craftsmanship of it, the functionality of each bag, and every look that they have on their website. Just a variety of styles for you guys to choose from. Plus, everything I'm going to show you in this haul today will be linked in the description box down below. So without further ado, let's jump right into this handbag haul. First up, I have the Abby Chainhobo bag with the braided design on the side. Now this is a beautiful rich red color, and because we're in the month of March, depending on what area you're in, this is what I like to call that late winter early spring type of weather. But this is like the perfect nighttime or evening bag. So this is kind of how I would wear it as a clutch. Has that nice curved design to just fit right under the armpit, and then it also has a chain handle for you guys to rock. I love that about this bag because you literally can just take this off if you do want to rock it as just a simple clutch. I love the braiding detail of it. Lots of room on the inside. Also has another strap, so if you do want to make this a crossbody, you can. Well, actually not a crossbody because it's actually not too long in my opinion to be a crossbody, but if you don't want to go with the golden chain as the handle, you can definitely swap it out with just the same color red that the bag is in. Has another zipper pouch in the inside, you guys can see that. And like I said, I absolutely love the craftsmanship of Charles and Keith's bags. This is just like the perfect color for, like I said, the evening or nighttime, with the Charles and Keith logo at the bottom as well. Next, I have the Enya front flap shoulder bag. Now I love this. You guys know I love gold hardware. I just showed you a gold hardware bag, so I had to get another one. This is in this beautiful pink color. Let's see if the camera will focus in. Boom, beautiful pink, and it has this fur on it. Now this is definitely a bag that you want to wear when it's pretty cold outside. But the cool thing about this bag, it's a duo bag. So what I mean by that is you can wear this as a shoulder bag if you want. Oops, there goes the strap. You can wear this as a shoulder bag like this, or you can pull the strap down and have it longer as a crossbody. So I love that. And then it has another like clear marble pink / gold chain strap that you can put on this as well to make it a shoulder bag. I love that. I love that it's versatile, and I love that it's pink because y'all know pink is my favorite color. But just to show you guys the inside, there are two additional little flaps that's in there, and then on this side, and this is a pretty small bag, but I do feel like you can fit a lot in here. And again, perfect for the winter, mainly because we have this whole fur look going on, but definitely a beautiful bubblegum pink handbag. Next, I have the beautiful Abby braided handle. Next, I have the beautiful Abby metallic shoulder bag. Now this has to be my favorite bag in this haul, mainly because this is definitely a spring bag, but also can act in really any season. And I love this braided handle. Let's see if the camera will focus in on that so you guys can kind of see it up close. This is gorgeous. Now this also has another strap, and pretty much all of the Charles and Keith bags have another strap in the inside of the bags for you to kind of just swap out what you want. I actually took it out because I wore this the other night. But it's just the same color as the bag itself. It actually has a little pouch in the back of it. So it's another dual bag. This actually has a lot of space in the inside, and again, gold hardware. And to open up the front, you just simply press up to open the little clip. But this right here is definitely perfect for spring. Absolutely gorgeous handbag. Next, I have the mini Gambine shoulder bag. Now this is actually from their Lunar New Year collection, and it's in this beautiful red again, and also has just a simple gold little hook that's on the front of it, and it's just a simple magnet that keeps it closed. Also has a strap to make this a crossbody if you want, but you guys know I love little small bags, so I will definitely be wearing it as just a shoulder bag. Another beautiful evening bag as well, simply due to the color. And last but not least, I have the perfect spring shoulder bag. This is the Koi square push-up bag in this beautiful green color. I feel like green might be my color for the spring because I have a lot of green pieces. But you just simply push the lock up, hence the name. Also comes with another strap again, so if you want to make this a crossbody, you certainly can. Has two, or actually one section in the inside, and a zipper hidden compartment right here in the front. And once you push this back in, also has a zipper on the back as well. But a very cute standard shoulder bag, beautiful gold hardware, and perfect for the spring. Alright, so that concludes this Charles & Keith handbag unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite handbag was in this video in the comment section down below. And again, everything I showed you guys will be listed in the description box down below with the link. And make sure you guys check them out on Instagram as well. I'll go ahead and leave their @ name right here on the screen for you guys. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!